How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we're unboxing the brand new PS5 Starlight Blue controller right here. So brand new color. I picked this one up and I'm super excited to see what it looks like. It's a standard PS5 controller made by Sony, so it's not an aftermarket controller or anything like that. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what this color is like. I'm gonna have to use my X-Acto knife here, and hopefully we don't destroy the box that much. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and pop it on open. Got the little hanger there. We'll throw that aside. And okay, we've got it in this cardboard here. And we'll open that up and grab the controller. Put the controller down for a second. We've got instruction booklets, and do we get any cords included? Nope, does not look like any cords or anything, so we'll throw the box aside, and we'll just go ahead, and here we go. Wow, okay. I like it. It's definitely a little bit darker blue than what the pictures show. To me, it looked like more like a very light sky blue, but it's just a slight bit darker, which is actually good. I prefer the little bit darker. The too much sky blue was just a little bit too much here. But we look on the back right here. So we've got the black buttons on there, and then we've got a little bit of gloss black on the internals, and where you press, it is the nice kind of matte finish type black right there. We look on the front end, our button right here is also black. We can see that right there. Very nice feel to it. I mean, it's your standard PS5 controller, so if you got a PS5, you got the white one included, but this is now just a different color for it. I really like this color. I actually like it better now that I see it in person than it does look in pictures. The back, we do have like a little bit of grippiness to it, so it's really, really nice as far as that goes. I'm gonna link this down below, so if you guys wanna know what the current pricing is at the time that you're watching this video, you guys can check that out. Thank you very much for watching. Hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.